So what I thought would be an easy ad shoot gig turned out to be pretty backbreaking.
At first it was great. Sunshine, fresh air. But then they kept asking me to do a scene over and over again.
I just wanted Bigfoot to slip and fall into the water, but he kept jumping in. So we used a stunt double.
We used a stunt double. But the stunt double didn't understand either and kept doing front flips. So in the end, we used a stuffed dummy.
Hi, I'm Bigfoot's stunt double, but I think it turned all right.
Slip and fall? Give us a call at 407-891-8744. We'll put you back on solid ground. If we can help Bigfoot, we can help you. Thank you.
You think they'll let us keep the shirts?
Ah.